Hey. I'll be right back. It's warm in here. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, standing back a little bit. See, look, fireplace right there. Okay, it's warm there. Mommy, mommy, mommy,
it's like metallic gold or silver,
mommy,
or any other color.
Mommy,
Google tinsel for Christmas tree.
Mommy,
Huh?
I was just videoing the fireplace because it was beautiful.
Oh, okay.
It's like popcorn? Like I feel like that.
No. Look up tinsel.
Okay.
You'll see what I'm talking about.
Have a good
See
night.
Christmas lights? If there's, and see that's a ceiling fan. That's a ceiling fan. Oh, fine. See, look, that's the ceiling fan right there. See, look. See, that's the ceiling fan. Okay. I'm coming. See, look. Celebration. Kind of. See a ceiling in there? I can't see it. Oh, my camera's stupid. See, look. It's not like fireworks a little bit. Maybe it was my jacket. Maybe it was my jacket that made that noise, maybe. Okay. See moon? Moon right there. Nice light.
You gotta be in the club.
Club. Pause car. Okay. That's what we'll be going in. Okay, see? Nice. Alright. Okay. Boom. Just like that.
You good? Your legs?
I'm good. I'm perfect.
See? Nice. Really?
We're making a long video for video.
Bye, guys.